This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Unique decorative wood projects have always carried a special kind of appeal. They sit at the intersection of art and function, tradition and innovation, nature and human imagination. Long before decoration became a luxury, people shaped wood to reflect identity, belief, and status. Today, in a world flooded with mass-produced objects, that same uniqueness has returned as a powerful economic advantage. What once was common craftsmanship has become rare value. Selling decorative wood projects is not about competing with factories. It is about offering what factories cannot produce: individuality, warmth, and story. When someone chooses a handmade wooden piece, they are not just buying an object. They are choosing character over perfection, depth over surface, and meaning over convenience. This shift in consumer mindset has opened real opportunities for those willing to work with care and intention. This narration explores why unique decorative wood projects sell, how they create lasting demand, and how turning creativity into income does not require chasing trends or investing heavily in tools. It requires observation, patience, and respect for material. Wood, shaped thoughtfully, becomes both expression and enterprise. Uniqueness begins where imitation ends. Decorative wood projects that sell consistently are rarely copies of what already floods the market. Instead, they interpret nature in personal ways. Grain patterns guide design choices. Natural curves suggest forms. Imperfections become highlights rather than defects. In this approach, wood is not forced into design, design emerges from wood. This harmony is immediately felt by the viewer. In modern homes, decoration is no longer about filling space. It is about creating atmosphere. Wood contributes warmth, balance, and calm. A handcrafted wooden object can soften sharp interiors, ground minimalist spaces, and add soul to otherwise neutral environments. This emotional effect is what makes decorative wood projects desirable. People buy what makes them feel something. One reason these projects sell well is scarcity. No two pieces of wood are identical, and no two handcrafted items are ever exactly the same. Scarcity increases perceived value. Buyers understand, even subconsciously, that what they are purchasing cannot be replaced. This sense of rarity transforms decoration into investment. Decorative wood projects also benefit from versatility. A single piece can function as art, furniture, or conversation starter. Sculptural tables, carved wall panels, organic stools, and abstract wooden forms blur the line between utility and art. This flexibility expands the market. A piece can appeal to homeowners, interior designers, cafes, hotels, and offices alike. Selling such projects does not require loud marketing. The material speaks quietly but convincingly. Natural textures, soft finishes, and balanced proportions communicate quality without explanation. When photographed well, even with simple tools and natural light, these pieces tell their own story. Visual honesty builds trust. Another factor behind strong sales is the growing desire for sustainability. Decorative wood projects often use reclaimed, salvaged, or responsibly sourced material. Buyers increasingly value this conscious approach. Knowing that a piece gave new life to old wood or avoided unnecessary waste adds moral satisfaction to the purchase. Ethics become part of the aesthetic. Profit in decorative wood does not come from speed but from positioning. These are not impulse items. They are considered purchases. That means pricing should reflect time, skill, and uniqueness. Undervaluing work attracts the wrong audience and leads to burnout. Fair pricing attracts buyers who respect craftsmanship and return for future pieces. Storytelling plays a crucial role. Every decorative wood project has a journey, from where the wood was found, to how it was shaped, to what inspired its form. Sharing this journey creates connection. People remember stories longer than specifications. When buyers feel connected, they become loyal. Consistency matters as much as creativity. While each piece is unique, maintaining a recognizable style builds identity. Over time, your work becomes identifiable even without a signature. This identity is what transforms individual sales into sustainable income. Recognition leads to trust, and trust leads to demand. Decorative wood projects also age well. Unlike trend-based decor, well-made wooden pieces gain character over time. Scratches become marks of life, color deepens, and presence grows. Buyers appreciate this longevity. They are not purchasing something disposable, but something that evolves with their space. Challenges are part of the craft. Wood moves, cracks, and resists control. Designs fail. Finishes disappoint. But each challenge deepens understanding. Nature teaches resilience. Those who adapt and learn develop skills that cannot be replaced by machines or shortcuts. Mastery increases both quality and confidence. As skills grow, so do opportunities. Custom requests emerge. Collaborations with designers or businesses become possible. Each unique project becomes a reference for the next. Momentum builds slowly but steadily. In a digital world, handcrafted wood stands as a reminder of human presence. That presence has value. People seek it consciously or unconsciously. Decorative wood projects that sell do so because they fulfill a need deeper than decoration. They restore balance between nature and modern life. Unique decorative wood projects also sell because they invite personal interpretation. Unlike mass-produced decor, a handcrafted wooden piece does not dictate meaning. It allows the owner to assign their own story to it. This emotional openness increases attachment and perceived value. Unique decorative wood projects sell because they are honest. They reflect patience, intention, and respect for material. They do not rush to impress, they invite quiet appreciation. In choosing this path, you choose sustainability over speed and depth over volume. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.